tutorial about how to place order fast on Pinduoduo. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the profile icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to view all the products you have in your cart. So here we go. All this order right here, I'm going to place order for them fast on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. However, before we get to the tutorial started, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to place order for them on Pinduoduo, and I decided to make it a video. I'm going to go ahead now and exit from here. I will open up my WhatsApp right here. And here is the order screenshot right here. So you can see all the screenshots of the order right here. Are all the screenshots of the order and like what to see right there. Next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here now and go to my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and place the order. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on my Pinduoduo right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yapu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on Pinduoduo, Taoba, Hidefees, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. So I'm going to select them one after the other. I'm selecting this. I'll scroll down and select this. I'm selecting for this. I'm selecting this. So all in all, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, as you can see the preview of the products right here from different store right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you have your delivery address from the top right here. Having had your delivery address, scroll down right here until you get to the means of payment. There are 5 means of payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of them here is WeChat. For me, use Master or Visa card for payment, use Alipay, and look for a friend to make payment on the app. However, in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay to make payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. So allow the Alipay to connect. Go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done successfully. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot proof of payment right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to exit from my Pinduoduo right here and go ahead and come to my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and send proof of payment to this person that asked me to make payment for them on Pinduoduo. For that, I'll click on attachment, click on gallery, click on proof of payment and say payments done. Just like so. So you can see the proof of payment right here and the total purchase right here. Everything right here as related to the screenshot of all the order right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here now. Then go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app again. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then make sure I click on here to fill my profile. And here we go. You can see all the order that we just placed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open them one after the other. This one right here, you can see all the successful payments made for order right here. This is the 4 link right here. Go back and the last of the 2 link right here. It's that simple. If this is exactly what you want me to do for you on Pinduoduo, Chinese shopping app, you want me to pay your Chinese shopping, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, you want me to fund your Alipay account or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.